Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Tether from Revolut to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets seamlessly, this guide is perfect for you. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's great for holding value, but transferring it between platforms like Revolut and Robinhood can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, keeping things simple and straightforward. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Robinhood. You'll also need some Tether in your Revolut wallet and a basic understanding of crypto transfers. Remember, crypto markets can change, so always double-check the latest fees and requirements for 2025. Step 1. Log into your Revolut app or website. Head over to your crypto section and locate your Tether balance. Once you're there, select the option to withdraw or transfer USDT. Revolut might ask you to choose the network. Common ones for Tether are Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20. So pick the one that matches what Robinhood supports to avoid any issues. Next, switch over to your Robinhood account. Go to the deposit section in your crypto wallet and generate a deposit address for Tether. This is crucial. Copy that address carefully, as it's unique to your account. Now, back in Revolut, paste that Robinhood address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: the amount you're sending, the network, and the address to prevent any mistakes. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction confirmation. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once the transfer is complete, check your Robinhood account to ensure your Tether has arrived. If you run into any problems, like delays or errors, reach out to customer support on either platform. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Tether from Revolut to Robinhood in 2025. It's a straightforward process that can help you manage your crypto more flexibly. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.